Hello everyone. Welcome to the full course online. I'm really glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to create a Microsoft account step by step. It's super useful if you want to use services like Outlook, OneDrive, Microsoft 365, or even sign into Windows. So let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and go to signup.live.com. This is Microsoft's official sign-up page. Now, here's where you'll create your account. Type in the email address you want to use. It could be something like your name at outlook.com or at hotmail.com. If the name is available, click Next. You'll be able to choose your domain, either hotmail.com or outlook.com. Both work exactly the same, so choose whichever you prefer. Next, create a strong password for your account. Try to include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Then click Next. On the next screen, your country or region should already be selected automatically. If it isn't, just select it from the drop-down. Then add your date of birth, month, day, and year. Now enter your first name and last name. There's also an option to receive Microsoft news and updates. If you're interested, check the box, otherwise, you could leave it unchecked. To confirm you're not a robot, Microsoft will ask you to solve a quick puzzle. It only takes a few seconds. You might be asked if you want to set up a PIN or enable fingerprint login for added security. If you're on a personal device, it's a good idea. If not, you can skip this step. You'll also be asked whether to stay signed in. If this is your personal computer and you don't want to type your password every time, go ahead and click Yes. And that's it, your Microsoft account is now ready. After logging in, you'll land on your main Microsoft account dashboard. In the top left corner, click on the grid of 9 dots to see all Microsoft services available with your account. These include tools like Microsoft Copilot, Outlook, OneDrive, Clipchamp, Designer, and other productivity tools. You can also manage your Microsoft 365 subscription, change your password, and view how much cloud storage you've used. For example, you might see how much space is taken up by OneDrive or Outlook. If you need more storage, you can purchase it from here. If you're interested in Microsoft Copilot Pro, there's an option to subscribe to that as well. Under the Devices section, you'll see all the devices currently signed in with this account. The Security tab lets you turn on two-step verification, which is highly recommended for keeping your account safe. You'll also find payment options, your order history, and other settings. Some options like privacy, devices, security, and order history appear both on the left menu and in the center panel. To change your personal information, click on your profile picture at the top. You can edit your name, date of birth, and other account details. Click on the Subscriptions tab to see what services or products you're currently subscribed to. And when you're done, you can log out by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Sign Out. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.